वेलकम स्टूडेंट। तो आज हम एग्रोनॉमी के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द वर्ड एग्रीकल्चर इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम। द वर्ड एग्रीकल्चर इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम ग्रीक वर्ड, लैटिन वर्ड, फ्रेंच वर्ड और अरेबियन वर्ड. The word agriculture is derived from two words, that is the agara and cultura. Okay, agara means soil and cultura means cultivation, and that agara and cultivation are the Latin words. Hence, the word agriculture is derived from Latin word. Question number 2, irrigation water which contain more than % of boron is harmful to crops, especially on light soil. Option A 5 ppm, option B 3 ppm, option C 7 ppm, option D 8 ppm. Correct option is option B 3 ppm. Question number 3, SCN is found in, hydrocyanic acid is found in maize, sorghum, tobacco or gram. SCN is found in sorghum crop. Question number 4, the crop is most sensitive to frost. Option A turnip, option B sugar beet, option C tobacco or option D gram. The gram is most sensitive to frost. Question number 5, the downward movement of water in the soil is called as percolation, leaching requirement, leaching or evaporation. The downward movement of water in the soil due to force of gravity is called as a percolation. Question number 6, the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called as a pH, potential evaporation, pF or permeability. The negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called as a pH. Question number 7, the main object of blank is to add the organic matter into soil and enrich it with nitrogen. इनमें से किसका जो मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि सॉइल में ऑर्गेनिक मैटर ऐड करना और नाइट्रोजन का जो परसेंटेज है वो इंक्रीज करना? उसमें ऑप्शन है ए प्लगिंग, बी ग्रीन मैन्यूरिंग, सी इंटरकल्चर और डी नॉन ऑफ दिस. प्लगिंग मीन्स उसमें तो हम कौन सा ऑर्गेनिक मैटर ऐड नहीं करेंगे, इंटरकल्चर ऑपरेशन में भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं ऐड करेंगे, तो ऑप्शन रहेगा अपने पास ओनली बी, दैट इज़ द ग्रीन मैन्यूरिंग. Question number 8, which of the following is the non-legume crop used for green manuring? Option A maize, option B soybean, option B sanem, option D jute. The correct option is option A maize. Question number 9, the botanical name of karanj which is used for the green leaf manuring. Option A Pongamia glabra, option B Glaciaria maculate, option C Crotalaria junica and option D Aziradeca indica. The correct option is option number A Pongamia glabra. Question number 10, the green manuring crop is buried just blank flowering. Option A at or before flowering, option B after flowering, option C both A and B, and option D none of this. The green manuring crop is buried just at flowering or before flowering. Hence correct option is option number A. Next question, is the father of organic farming? Which of the following is the father of organic farming? Option A L. Northbourne, option B Sir Albert Howard, option C Lady U. Balfour or option D none of these. The father of organic farming is Sir Albert Howard, option number B. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, नीम केक contain percent of nitrogen. How many percent of nitrogen are present in neem cake? Option A 7.2 to 8.3, 5.2 to 5.3, 10.2 to 10.5, 3.5 to 4.0. Correct option is 5.2 to 5.3. Question number 13, which of the following is or are drought tolerant crops? Option A bajra, option B jowar, option C barley, option D all of these. The bajra, jowar and barley are the drought tolerant crops, hence the correct option is option number D, all of these. Question number 14, species of rhizobium is associated with soybean. Which of the following species of rhizobium is associated with soybean crop? Option A Rhizobium japonicum, option B Rhizobium phaceae, option C Rhizobium trifoliae, option D none of these. The correct option is option A Rhizobium japonicum. The species of rhizobium is associated with soybean. Rhizobium phaceae is associated with pea plant, and Rhizobium trifoliae is associated with berseem. Azolla propagated by. Option A vegetatively propagated, option B sexually propagated, option C both A and B, option D none of these. The correct option is vegetatively propagation is done in azolla. Question number 16, the BJ is used as a biofertilizer in which crop? BJ means blue green algae. The blue green algae is used as a biofertilizer in which crop? Option A wheat, option B maize, option C cotton, option D rice. The correct option is option D rice. That is, the BJ is a blue green algae and it requires water stagnation condition, and the water stagnation condition is available in only rice, hence it's associated with rice crop. Next question, blue green algae is also called as a BJ is also called as a Azotobacter, Rhizobium, Cyanobacteria or Pseudomonas. The correct option is Cyanobacteria. Question number 18, the symbiotic association between fungi and roots of higher plant. Symbiotic association between fungi and roots of higher plant. Option number A worm, option B lichen, option C cyanobacteria, option D none of these. The correct option is worm, arbuscular mycorrhiza. It is the symbiotic association between fungi and root of higher plant, and it is responsible for fixation of phosphorus from soil to plant. Then question number 19 is an organic material which used for reclamation of acid soil. इनमें से कौन सा ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल है जो हम एसिडिक सॉइल की सुधारना के लिए यूज़ करते हैं? ऑप्शन ए कैल्शियम, ऑप्शन बी जिप्सम, ऑप्शन सी कार्बोनेशन प्रेस मड केक, ऑप्शन डी बोथ ए एंड बी. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी कार्बोनेशन प्रेस मड केक. Gypsum is used for reclamation of basic soil. Okay. Then last question number 20, sugarcane press mud is used in an organic amendment with correcting option A sodic soil, option B acidic soil, option C chopan soil, option D both B and C. दिस क्वेश्चन इज़ फॉर योर असाइनमेंट. इस क्वेश्चन का हम आंसर आपको अगले लेक्चर में बताएंगे, तब तक आप इसका आंसर ढूंढ सकते हैं. जुड़े रहे हमारे साथ. डेली हम ऐसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे. इसके लिए अपने इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर एकेडमी के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए. थैंक यू सो मच.